More bless. Rastafari. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. You know, see, Alisa and I'm saying, see, but Melissa and I find them and fellow follower them. I don't want you to just take that and run with it. Listen, you understand me? It's a lesson. And for the what's his name? Golden supporters. Yeah. And for the Palwell supporters. Yeah. Don't feel no way. Just listen to the nonsense that I'm gonna try and make. You get me? You don't know the whole thing said. I say Lisa Anna. Seeing and let that be a lesson to Peter Bunting. You understand me? Reasons being, I'm putting the better interest of the party at forefront. Remember, I am from East Kingston, Warwick Hill. You get what I say? Philip Paul, when I see this, don't feel no way. You know, see it? I just saw it go. You know, see it? The reason why I say Lisa Anna is this. Even though she's got a lot of opinions that I am not in agreement with. You understand me? Well, I'm not gonna say about my agreement with Philip Paul and things like that, or Mark Golden for that matter. You get me? Or my disagreements. You get me? I'm just gonna talk the Jamaica reality, the reality where PNP need. You understand me? Philip Paul is got questionable character challenge going on with the US at the moment. You get what I'm saying? Visa disqualifying thing like that, just like probably a lot of other people. You understand? But it might not be as public as Philip Paul. You get what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on there. No, but that's between him and the US. You understand me? Let that sort itself out. We're not gonna convict nobody. No, we can't sue for nobody innocent in this climate of corruption. You get what I'm saying? So we'll just make that play out itself. We cannot afford, as conscious Jamaicans, you have to make emotions, make serious decisions like these, which might not play out in our favor or the better interest of the party or Jamaica at the end. Regardless, we don't know what a man's business is. You understand what I say? Let that get sorted out. The future is vast, the future is long. You understand? It's still young and healthy. For the integrity and for the faster, better development of the party. You get what I'm saying? This eliminates Philip Palwell. See? Now, Mark Golden is too much of a recluse. Mark Golden too much mirrors the image of the Dr. Peter Phillips. You understand what I'm saying? His attitude, his approach, his energy does not very much deviate from that of Prime Minister Philip Palwell. You understand? The electorates are still gonna feel that same atmosphere, that same energy. Nothing has changed. You understand me? The dynamics hasn't changed. It's nothing. It's like the same argument over and over again. Jamaica don't need that. You understand me? Jamaica don't need that right now. Jamaica one of the most rebellious nations on earth. You get what I'm saying? One of the most out there, one of the most realistic people on earth. Be real. You understand what I'm saying? You can't come talk to... You can't... Let's leave that out of the thing because we don't want to stray from the point. You understand me? So, Mark Golden needs to really work on his 1, appearance, 2, delivery, 3, popularity. Popularity should be number 1. You know, see, and relation with the man on the ground. You understand me? It's the area now. You cannot lay back in the office anymore and act like, oh, you did make that and you did went there and you did do this. It doesn't work like that anymore, PNP. You understand what I say? People have camera now. People can see. People need you again for do any what's it called? Public relation media circus. Yeah? People, it's your public relations is not made up anymore. You don't realize that. No, a viral I do it now. You can't go your media, your gleaner, your observer and have no influence like let me see. Lava. The observer and an influence like lava and a social media that. You get what I say? At them level of the thing there. On the day they are going like an idiot, oh I'm gonna wait on the gleaner to come take me my necktie. Hey boy, go. Them thing that don't work. So we're not gonna recommend you if you come draw down the party and put the party in further more in a sleep. You understand? Cause right you know, the party asleep. You see it? Dr. Peter Phillips should have been there as the figurehead, yes, but the energy and the resource, should have come from you lot, the younger heads who know how, should have put the party first and respect the leader. You didn't. None of them deserve that space. You get what I'm saying? Now, for this reason, I've eliminated Mark Golden. See? Which leave us with Lisa Anna. A lot of other candidates side there. You see, if you notice, I don't even mention what's his name, Damian Crawford, because the last thing I watched on Damian Crawford was sitting there in his luxury apartment or whatever, talking about his $40,000 grocery that his 4 months grocery that his grocery shopping that he does every 4 months. Where you running? It's a wholesale you have in your house. Every 4 months you do grocery shopping. Eh? And you get up people say, you tell politicians, this is what he. Yeah. You can't treat get up people like, so well then, are we are who we are type of thing. I thought we go buy grocery for 4 months, come put in our house and to get up people can't do that. How on earth you can afford to do that if the people where you serve can't do that and that's something where you feel pleased to talk about? A brag there man can for chat. They're not going at you. Go. Rastafari. Yeah, so for this reason and these reasons, I big up Miss Lisa Anna. Seeing? You see public relations, you're a boss. Yeah, social media, dagger. You get what I say? You see, popularity, beauty, honesty, integrity, and we know so you're not going to politics for the limelight. Nor for the money. Well, maybe for the money, because there's a lot of, we can't deny them things there. There's a lot of perks. Monetarily will come with the leadership. Well, most of them was put there in place by local people and legislations anyway. So we're not going to that. You understand what I say? But we know, mama, me feel you differently when me see you out there a program and because you're pretty and you need them pretty. Sorry, that's not the reason why I said that. Sure, why did all that come out a while ago? That thing that I make like everything. But we need somebody to bring the party to a futuristic fashion. You understand? The MP them need some futuristic principles. IT training for one. Yeah. Social media friendly. It's free. You don't have to pay it. You don't have to promise them any favors, political favors, like one I do for the Gleaner and the Observers, and the whole of them I get and be biased when I'm ready for both party. Just because both party or whichever party in the power can promise them favors, yeah, they all are biased. That's what. Social media now, you can't do too tough, you can't do that with it. You have a whole heap of platform, different platform, and most of the time they are competing against each other. So when one chooses to do something else, the other one will do the other type of thing. You understand what I say? Yeah. See? So Miss Lisa Anna got that down to a T. She need to sit down all after the day of her selection, yeah? She need to sit down all of you and make sure so you have a Facebook account, an Instagram account, and every day you have to upload something on that. Every how when I get up, go to work, I get ready, whatever. Every day you have to do a live of some representation of politics or work for the people. Something being done. You know, see it. And this life can't be manipulated by anybody. You know, see, because other people supposed to do they just soon spontaneously out and crowd do something and just start. Same thing to a social media age. Hey, I want to know. When I hear that, I said, no phone lucky. You know, this is it. I saw it for God. So, my message to Miss Lisa Anna is give every MP, no matter how old him is, and if him too old and too can't bother with it, no, though you can't. Yeah. If you can't the social media, you can't get selected for politics. That should be one of your, you know what I say? One of the skill them we have to enter in a politics. You have to remain relatively relevant. You understand what I say? And listen, relatively relevant. Put it that way. You have to be relatively relevant. That becomes a requirement. You understand me? As a politician these days. You know, see, no, well, I want to watch and see what Donald Trump do with Twitter and sit there like it's just another jolly if you go for it. From before the election, you know, I saw that PNP was so laid back. If PNP had won this election, personally, I would have been validation, confirmation, and everything not public to me that it's all a rigged game, because PNP sit back like it was dear for them, like it's an inheritance. I thought from the energy that they were giving, it's like it's like a free for all. Like PNP just got, it's like it's a planned thing, so they don't have to put the effort that's needed. You get what I'm saying? That's what I thought before the campaign. That's what I used to comfort myself. That, you know what, it's a gaming type of thing. You get the point. You understand me? But yeah, much due respect, much appreciation, much adoration, and things like that, and expectation. No pressure, no pressure. Be yourself, see me. Pick off my June plum off of my cheek any day when you pass, and anything. You know, me choose where you want, mama. The farm is yours. You get what I say? Sit back and enjoy. Chill out for a bit as well. You know, see. Yeah, continue doing what you're doing. Because to me, Mama Lisa, you are more relatable. You know, see it. Yeah, overall, right now, you are more relatable. You know, see it. Yeah. Yeah, more bless. Share, like, and subscribe.